on time
May
pala.
mga nakagawan na Pilipino.
Oh my God, ang taas. May toga pa.
Ang dami mga abogado. Alin?
Leading to Conrad Miller Mall, located at the north side, or the bridgeway leading to the hotel at the south side. Thank you.
Pwede na, makaya rin.
Phones on silent mode or airplane mode, and refrain from using them during the entirety of the session. For lost and found items, please surrender them at a tech booth located at the back of the ceremony hall. Once the ceremonies are done, please remain seated and pay attention to the important announcements.
All persons having business for the Army, Supreme Court of the Philippines, shall give their attention, for the court is now in session.
Ano yun?
We gather here today as we say the most valuable players. The second place garnered an average of 85.54%. She is Aniceto Maria Cristina Santos from Ateneo de Manila University. The first placer garnered an average of 85.77%. Kyle Christian Torero Tutor. He is from University of the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment you've been waiting for and praying for. Therefore, I will no longer delay further. Order! 3, 2, 1!
Instruct them to return to the documents.
Kinukuha na lang yung documents. Nakasign na.
Kano, bossing? Mamaya na.
Same seat ang bayad.
Naka-reserve na kami.
Naka-reserve. First time pala ni Ate.
Pagkaraan ng
First time
isang
niya?
daang metro.
Kumain na siya.
Hindi pa.
First time dam pa parking.
Mamalingki ka.
Tapos kumaliwa.
Malingki ka dyan, Pepo. Pili ka.
Ng ano, lapu-lapu.
Pula-pula. Half kilo tapos itinol. Tinola. Wawang nila lang.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Ate Apip, kasi siya magbabayad.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Ate.